All right, so I am pretty excited because this little gem has arrived from Sweetwater, and no, they didn't sponsor this, but I have been told that you can replace this little foam cap, the foam pop filter, and it makes a big difference. So we're going to open this bad boy up, and we're going to give it a try and see how well it changes things. So it's just fun to unbox things, so I thought maybe we'd do something a little different today. All right, so got my trusty Kershaw here that I love. Helps me open boxes and everything else. So inside our box here, we have, if you've never ordered anything from Sweetwater, I always recommend it because you get a nice little bag of sweet treats. But in this box is actually what we're looking for. So here we go. This is actually a Shure branded pop filter. So we're actually going to try and flip this out. So this is actually the pop filter that comes for the SM7B. This is the MV7. They're different microphones. This is a USB mic. The SM7B is an XLR. This has an XLR on it, but they're different microphones. But I've been told that when I switch to this brand new one, you're going to hear a big difference. So let's give it a try and see what happens. So I am just opening this up here. Asthma for those of you who like it. So we're going to swap this out and see what happens. So the old pop filter is off. And now the new pop filter is on. So I'm curious to know, how different is it? Does it really make that much of a difference? I don't know. I'm excited to actually stop the recording and check it out later. But if you're interested, there you go. So this is the SM7B pop filter on the MV7. Let me know what you think in the comments.